Hi, welcome to TPF Unboxing. Today we are opening a trainer's toolkit. It comes with 155 cards, 4 packs, 65 sleeves, 2 books on how to build a deck and how to play, 7 dice, and 2 poison and
damage counters.
And
there's a bunch of energy in there.
Yeah. And before we open, make sure you support your local game shop. Ours is Shoebox.
You can visit their web store at shoeboxgc.ca. They're located in Calgary, Alberta, Canada.
And now we are going to open
the Trainer's Toolkit. It's a brand new product. Whoa, I've never actually seen this thing in person.
and the top.
Oh, I want to see it. Whoa.
And now we are going to open it. So we got 4 packs. Broken Bond, Sword and Shield, and Rebel Clash. Pick one. Okay. I'll take Sword and Shield and Broken.
Okay.
Who's going first?
And so, dice.
They're kind of hard to see, but they're kind of like a clear rainbowy sparkle.
Sleeves.
Those are.
These honestly are my favorite part.
My baby.
Oh, that's
There is 2 of these guys in here,
I get one too.
along with a bunch of other cards to make a deck, or decks.
A code card. Do you want to make decks?
All the energy you could ever need.
A lot of people don't even want it because they have too much energy.
And they probably already have everything.
Counters.
And then
A trading card game rules booklet. If you bought any, I think it was with the trainer kits, they had, I think, one of these in there. But there's also a deck builder's guide. And it gives you basically all the info you would never need to build a decent deck.
never need.
Ever need.
And so I'm going to open a pack, then Quinn, then Finn, then Mama. Code card.
So we start with an energy.
Oh, that sort of sucks though, because I already have it.
Mantine.
Crushing Hummer.
And this is a sword and shield pack, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, wait, we gotta open this to show the new arts.
We will.
Giggly. Pharaoh Seed. Goldeen. Rosalia. Golduck.
What? Joltik.
Oh, I was thinking Golduck in my head.
What? Come on.
Volpe. And we got a Lapras VMAX.
Ooh. That is
I
a
already
really good
have it.
card. You do, but it's a really good card.
Quinn, I'm helping you.
Yeah, let Finn help you open it. Quinn. Quinn. Stop it, you're gonna ruin the card.
Okay, here, I'm gonna open it.
No, I will. She doesn't listen. Good card. I don't know how to do it. Surskit. Show them.
Floppy fish.
Her. Show them.
Come on.
Meditative.
No peeking. We had no peeking.
Milcery.
And
Growlithe. Butterfree.
Reverse hollow. Ninetales. Training Court. Tranquil. A Lampent. And an Energy.
And now you open, and then Finn already opened this pack without showing.
Okay, well, here.
code. And here's my card.
Alright, so we got Growlithe. Dreepy. Snover. Binnacle. Galarian Darumaka. A reverse hollow Charjabug.
And then it's a Denny charge!
Cramorant. An Energy.
This is ability. Denny charge!
Pokeball.
For what it is.
Another Lampent.
Denny charge.
And a Hawlucha. Okay, now I'm going to open Unbroken Bonds.
Now I'm gonna open a broken box.
Okay, so Glameow. Growlithe. Ghastly. Come on. Togepi. Pikachu. Togetic. Rhyperior. Energy. Torracat. Surprise Box. And a Chatot. Come on, there we go.
And before we end the video,
We're gonna show you what we got in with these Dedennes.
And the new arts for.
Yeah, there's 3 cards that actually have new art. Or alternate art, I guess.
Denny's.
See, you get 2 of them. They're super cute. Sounds like we're gonna have a thunderstorm.
2 Milo and Lana.
Okay, let's see the new cards. Let me see.
The
Pass,
new ones?
pass it over.
Pokegear.
Just pass it over.
No one will find them.
New art for the Pokegear. Hold on. There we go.
Reset stamp.
There we go.
And Poke Communication.
Pokemon Communication. And the reset stamp.
And then here are all the other cards.
And then you get Boss's Orders,
And you
Quick
also-
Ball, Fire Crystal, Rare Candy, Energy Spinner, Switch, Tool Scraper, Metal Saucer, Speedy Energy, Welder, Ordinary Rod. You get Marnie, Air Balloon, Turffield Stadium, Vitality Band, Giant Hearth, Twin Energy, Green's Exploration, Tool Scraper again. There's a whole variety of cards in here that would basically provide you anything that you could possibly need to make your good deck.
yeah.
There's a different one. Where is she? Where did it go? There it is. Professor's Research.
And now, before we end the video, we're gonna review what we got. A Lapras VMAX.
And our, I guess they'd be considered, yeah, your promo Dedennes.
They're cute.
And that's it for today. If you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And have fun. Bye!